In the previous tutorial activity, we placed a block of redstone to power on the circuit board. Unfortunately, the board is still not working due to all the dirt and cobwebs. Let's open our code to clean these up. Looking at our code right now, our agent would only destroy the block in front and then move forward one space. And that's it. But we have a lot to clean. Instead of using the code a dozen times, we can add a loop to repeat these steps. Let's drag a repeat block from the loop category inside our chat command. When we do, the other blocks will get pushed out of the way. Since those steps are what we want to repeat, we can drag them inside the loop. But I don't think repeating the steps 4 times is enough. It looks like we need to destroy a row of 12 blocks. We can click on that 4, delete it, and change it to a 12. When we are ready, let's press play, open the chat, and type clean. Look at our little agent doing all that work with just a few lines of code. Loops are definitely going to come in handy as we start to program our games.